Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Deccan Goat and Sheep Farm. We have left out with some 15 rams. You can see it's in beautiful quality, good height and weight. These are all available for sale. See, this is beautiful, pure white marble sink. And this is our male. You can use it as a breeder. Beautiful big ram. MashaAllah. This is also available for sale. All these we have about 12 in our stock. See this, how beautiful it is. Beautiful van. It is also available for sale. Yeah, this is available for sale. All available for sale. These brown rams are also available for sale. Let's see how beautiful it is. This is also available. Thanks for watching the video. This is Deccan Goat and Sheep Farm, which is pretty close to Bellary, Karnataka. And if you need anything, any details of the farm or purchase anything, you can just call Mr. Faheem Ansari, which is me. My mobile number is 9886786936. I'll repeat, my mobile number is 9886786936. There's one more mobile number which is of Mr. Jeelan. You can even contact him. His number is 9739786986. I'll repeat, 9739786986. Thank you.